Assalamu alaikum, my dear viewers. Hope you all will be fine. I am Hamid Iqbal Khan, a calligrapher in third generation. It's my honor that I am writing Panjtan Pak names and one poetry that starts from Li Khamsatun Utfi Biha Hurril Wabail Hatima Al Mustafa wal Murtaza Wabnahuma wal Fatima. So this is my honor that these great names I am doing calligraphy, Arabic calligraphy. I made this masterpiece before 2-3 years. That was in digital format. I realized that I should make this an original masterpiece and give it the shape so that I could exhibit this work anywhere. Dear viewers, I'm using this blue and red ink with the help of Qalam. I'm writing the names of Allah and name of Hazrat Muhammad, peace be upon him, and names of Hazrat Fatima Rajallahu Ta'ala Anha and name of Hazrat Ali Rajallahu Ta'ala Anhu and Hazrat Hassan and Hazrat Hussain. I made this sketch first of all with pencil, and then I fit all the names in that sketch and that share, that poetry Li Khamsatun Utfi Biha Haril Wabail Hatima, that also I fit in the ship's shape. I hope you understand that how to hold Qalam while doing Arabic calligraphy and how to dip Qalam in the ink. Dear students, as you see now, I am putting Arab with red ink. First of all, I started name of Allah. This is called modern creative calligraphy work. This is not traditional calligraphy work. It's a mixture of traditional and modern calligraphy. You can say it's a compilation of modern and traditional calligraphy styles. In some letters you can see the shape of Naskh script, and in some letters you can see the shapes of Sul script, and in some letters even you can see the shapes of Diwani script. So this is the mixture of these three traditional calligraphy scripts. You would be knowing that how to draw Arab, how to make Jazm, how to make Zir, Zabr, and how to put all these additional beautiful things to make Arabic calligraphy more beautiful. This is the top of the ship that and now I'm making the another part, lower part of this boat or ship. I made this in the shape of boat or ship, like it's traveling on the water, because I first of all I draw all these calligraphy words with pencil, and now I'm doing the Arabic calligraphy with Qalam. So I started it from the left side, because we sometimes when we do a rough calligraphy with pencil, then we should start it from left side, that our hand could not be affected with ink, and the paper should be neat and clean. Now the word I am writing Al-Hatima, and now it's letter Wow. You would be knowing how to write Wow in modern calligraphy. This is a type of modern calligraphic work. Not any traditional calligraphy work. This is modern calligraphy, and I'm sure that students who want to learn modern calligraphy, it would be very easy lesson for them, that they can create their own masterpieces with the help of these letters and these words and shapes. Dear students, as you know, the Arabic calligraphy is real Islamic art, and it's heritage of our Islamic history. We should enhance the spiritual power of our kids by introducing this Arabic calligraphy and Islamic arts to the new generation, so that they would be knowing that what is our real heritage. I hope you understand, and inshallah you will cooperate and spread this noble art in the world. The art of Islamic Arabic calligraphy is very attractive one. You can see now I'm writing the word Fa. Al-Mustafa Wabnahuma wal Fatima. This is the word Wabnahuma I'm writing. Because first of all I did with pencil, so that I started this from left side. Because in this way the paper will be safe, and my hand also will be safe, because there is ink on the paper and still not dry. If I put my hand over there, then both things would be affected and the neatness will be less, and then we have to rework on it. We have to rub the extra dots and extra things, ink dots, with blade or with any other sharp thing. That's why I did this, that I started this from left side. This original masterpiece is available with me. If anyone is interested, he can contact in the comment. And if anyone want to see its original, can visit us and see this original masterpiece in our gallery. I hope today's lesson is very beneficial and useful for new students, and inshallah I will come with the next video in my next lesson. Till that time, I wish you best of luck, and I pray for you that you should learn this art very easily. Now this is لي خمسة أطفي بها هر الوباء الحاتمة المصطفى والمرتضى وابناهما والفاطمة. Allah Hafiz.